Have you ever wanted to capture the tiniest details of the world into stunning works of art? Whether you're fascinated by nature's minute wonders or looking to add a creative twist to your photography, macro photography offers endless possibilities. In this tutorial, we'll dive into the basics, equipping you with the essential knowledge and techniques to embark on this captivating photographic adventure. Get ready to explore a new dimension of creativity and detail. When it comes to macro photography, having the right equipment is crucial. A camera with manual settings gives you full control over exposure and focus. DSLRs and mirrorless cameras are ideal, but some smartphones with good macro capabilities can also be effective, especially for beginners or those on a budget. Dedicated macro lenses, typically offering 1.1 magnification, are the best choice as they are designed to capture fine details at close range. For more affordable options, extension tubes or close-up filters can be attached to your existing lenses. Stability is paramount, as even the slightest movement can cause blur. Therefore, a sturdy tripod is essential, particularly in low-light situations where longer exposure times might be needed. Using a tripod helps to keep your camera steady and your shots sharp, ensuring you capture all the minute details clearly. Lighting plays a significant role. While natural light is often the best and most convenient source, utilizing ring lights or external flashes can help you manage lighting conditions more effectively. Ring lights provide even, diffused light around your subject, reducing harsh shadows, while external flashes can be adjusted to create the desired lighting effect. Understanding and adjusting camera settings is essential to capture sharp and detailed images. Using a small aperture, a large f-number like f16, ensures a deep depth of field, keeping more of the subject in focus. However, a smaller aperture reduces the amount of light entering the lens, which is why a tripod might be needed. A faster shutter speed is vital to avoid motion blur, especially if you are shooting handheld or dealing with moving subjects like insects. Using a remote shutter release or the camera's self-timer function can further minimize camera shake. Keeping the ISO as low as possible helps to reduce noise in your images, maintaining high quality and clarity. However, in low-light conditions, you might need to increase the ISO to achieve a proper exposure. Switch to manual focus for precision, as autofocus can struggle with the fine adjustments needed in macro photography. Using live view mode and focus peaking, if your camera offers it, can greatly assist in achieving critical sharpness. Live view allows you to see the subject in real time on your camera's screen, making it easier to fine-tune the focus, while focus peaking highlights the areas in focus. For greater depth of field, focus stacking is an excellent technique. This involves taking multiple shots at different focus points and then merging them in post-processing, resulting in a final photo with an extended depth of field and more detail throughout the subject. Remember, patience and practice are key, and with the right equipment and settings, you'll be able to create breathtaking close-up images. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more photography tips and tutorials. To explore our high-quality printing services and turn your macro masterpieces into museum-quality prints, visit our website at www.artisanhd.com. Thank you for watching and happy shooting!